We've got minced lamb with puff pastry, and then salmon inside a fish curry. Think about salmon as being quite a dense, heavy, very, very flavourful, oily fish. And I think about curry as being something quite summery and vibrant. And I don't see how curry and salmon work together. But I may be proved wrong. Nish, you got 5 minutes and your puffs don't look like they're cooked.
OK, I've turned up the heat. I'll start plating, so as soon as they're done, I'll whack them on.
I'm really excited about this. She's got a lot of things that I like in there, and I think it's going to taste really good if she gets the spicing right.
That chutney needs to be perfectly balanced if it's just going to be the 2 items on the plate.
How do they look, boss?
Oh, I could have done with another 2-3 minutes, but we don't have the time, so I'm just going to have to serve them, I'm afraid.
Got to serve now, Nisha, please.
OK, fine.
Well done. Off you go. Well done.
Hello there.
Right, there you are. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Today I've cooked for you a lamb keema puff pie, and it's served with a coriander mint and Bramley apple chutney. Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I really like it. Pastry's cooked really well. The filling's really nice. The meat's not dry or chewy. It's nicely spiced without being over the top.
The use of the Bramley apple in that chutney is really clever. It adds freshness, acidity, then cut through that spicy lamb.
Genius idea.
It's great.
That chutney is inspired, and I love the filling because it's really well spiced. It's comforting. I love it. The heat, the spice, the flavour. It's like someone stuck a chilli in your ear. You've got 10 minutes, Nisha.
OK.
We doing well?
I think so, yeah. I'm just going to wait for my rice to cook. My curry's done. That's just on a very low heat, just keeping it warm. And my rice is nearly there. It's cooking.
Goan spices are pretty mild. So, again, I think with her, it's all about the spicing.
Are you happy with all your elements, Nisha?
Do you know what? My rice, tiny bit soft. Desiccated coconut. And the cucumber.
Nisha?
Yeah?
That looks nice. Go.
Oh,
Smells great.
Thank you.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, God, these are quite heavy.
Thank you, Nisha.
Okay. Today I've cooked for you a Goan salmon curry with some cumin rice and some cucumber. Thank you very much.
Thank
you very much.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah. I love the way the layers of flavour start to build up and then that heat comes in at the end. And for me, when somebody does that, they understand how to use their spices.
She's taken care not to overcook the fish. I think that's a really accomplished thing to do. And then she made the rice. You can see that it's nice and fluffy and it's flavoured with cumin. I just want to eat the whole bowl.
There was something really wonderful about the flavours in that curry because they are subtle and they dance and they come up and you got the crescendo of heat and spice and the smokiness of turmeric, the sweetness of cumin. Rice is lovely and free-flowing. It's really very good, isn't it? The salmon is flaky and that curry is mild and it's creamy and the whole thing is a little bit yummy.